Let's ride. Start it.
Now?
Yeah.
Is it going?
Yes.
Hi, we're on a bus coming back from New York for Amanda and Katie's birthday, and we're... and Katie just made a weird face, so you can go film her now. Okay, bye.
Wait, no, I'm not finished.
We're on a bus in New York.
Yo.
What's up? Say something.
Say something.
No, I was finished. It's
Oh, you don't say anything? Hey. You gotta talk, dummy.
Hi.
She's a bitch. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's a video.
So Ro came into work. Hi, my name's Stephanie, and
It's Christina.
Hi. Okay,
It's a video, sorry. Randy, look. Randy. It's a video. I think I'm gonna finish the video. Any last words?
Bye.
Say bye.
Peace.
Frank, say bye.
Peace, son.
Say bye, John.
Bye.
Say bye, you idiot. Say bye, dummy. Say bye, dummy. Say bye. Oh, you already said bye. Bye.